Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to enable read receipt. First of all, go to your Outlook desktop app and click on File and click on Options, and here click on Mail. Under Mail, scroll down and just go to Send Messages section. Here we can see, scroll down and just come to this tracking section. In this section here we can see delivery and read receipts will provide confirmation that messages were successfully received. Not all email servers and applications support sending receipts. For all messages sent request, here you have to select delivery receipt confirming the message was delivered to the recipient's email server. Also check this option, read receipt confirming the recipient viewed the message. For any message received that includes a read receipt request, here you can select always send a read receipt. And now just click on OK.